Now I am taking one word problem as we usually solve the linear equations for the word problems. If there is some word problem is given, we always probably can make some linear equation and then we can solve. Similarly, if some conditions are given, then how we will frame the word problem of linear inequalities and how we will solve. Taking an example, find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers, both of which are larger than 10. We need to calculate a pair of consecutive or more pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers. Even and odd, both the numbers are always at a difference of 2 units. Suppose first odd number is 7, then its consecutive next will be 9 and previous to it will be 5. So we have to estimate, find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers, both of which are larger than 10. We need to take such natural odd numbers which are greater than 10 and such that their sum is less than 40. So there are two conditions I am taking. To explain it, let a smaller, or you can say the first natural odd number, let first, or you can say a smaller natural odd number is, suppose I am taking x, then obvious greater or the second or the consecutive, so its consecutive odd number is equals to x plus 2. As you know, set of consecutive odd naturals comes at a gap of 2. X plus 2, then x plus 4. So this. But they are given that find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers, both of which are greater than 10. It means that even a smaller odd number is also more than 10. First condition. And their sum, first number is x and second one is x plus 2. Their sum is less than what? It is less than 40. So we are taking it 2x plus 2 is less than 40, or you can say x is less than 19. Reason being, 2 when shifted 38, 2 will be divided, then 38 will be divided by 2, x will be less than 19. So we are getting two relations, x is less than 19 and x is greater than 10. X is greater than 10, then what first number is possible? First number may be 11. If first is 11, then its consecutive will be 13. So one of the pair become 11, 13. If I am taking the next one as what? Next one is suppose 13. If it is 13, then its consecutive will be 15. If it is 15, then 17. If it is 17, then it is 19. But here we are bound to take x which is less than 19. So if you go to see 11, 13, 13, 15, 15, 17 and their sum is what? Their sum is less than 40. But in this case, we are finding 9 plus 7 and 1, 1. That is also, so 1 set, 2 set, 3 set and 4 set. There are 4 such sets are possible where we can say, yes, this is the system, this is the set. So even word problems are possible in case of the linear inequations, and this is the method of solving these linear inequations.